Hi, I'm Ben Rodriguez with SPC Building Services. We're at beautiful Catalina Landing in downtown Long Beach. And we've had the opportunity to participate as a keynote sponsor or a keynote speaker sponsor for this event that's being hosted by Rising Realty Partners and BOMA. Days like today are exciting because we get a chance to put some of our previous work and sweat, tears, and effort on display, sharing here with other landlords and property managers. And you have building owners, landlords, property managers here. It's a chance for us to share with them what we've been able to accomplish. This was a wonderful project. We were able to complete this over 60,000 square feet restoration in this plaza area. We look forward you getting a chance to learn more about our services in deck repair, waterproofing, and concrete restoration. Thank you.